Here's how to apply your Sapphire AR tempered glass. Inside the package, you will receive one piece of tempered glass and a set of cleaning kits. First, clean the screen using the wet wipe provided. Then, dry it with the microfiber cloth. Next, use the dust sticker to remove any dust from the screen. For installation, it's pretty straightforward. Peel the glass off the base and align it with your screen. Use your fingers to help with alignment. And once you're happy with the position, gently press the glass onto the screen. If there are any bubbles after application, simply use the squeegee provided to push them out. And there you have it. Your installation is now done.